Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable quick add on Snapchat. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. The Snapchat quick add feature will suggest you to people who it thinks may know you and give them the option to add you. If you don't want to be added in this way, you can turn the feature off by doing the following. Open up Snapchat and tap your profile or user image at the top left. Then from the profile screen, tap on the settings in the top right corner. Scroll down settings until you see the option called See Me in Quick Add and tap on that. Now tap on the toggle button after Show Me in Quick Add to toggle it off. Once there it is toggled off, you will no longer be visible in Quick Add. And that draws an end to this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.